In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make fillable PDF in PDFescape. Whether you're building a simple form or a professional worksheet, this process is quick, free, and entirely online. We'll start by getting your document into the editor, add the right form fields, fine-tune how they look and behave, and then download a polished, fillable PDF you can share with anyone. First, upload your document. Open your web browser and go to the PDFescape online editor. On the home page, choose Upload PDF to PDFescape. Then select the PDF file from your computer. Give it a moment to load. It's best to upload a clean, final version of your document so you don't have to rework the fields later. If your PDF was created from a scan, zoom in to place fields precisely over lines and labels. Next, add your fillable fields. Click the Insert tab in the top left menu. Choose the Form Field button, and a Form Field Creation toolbox will appear. From the drop-down, pick the field type that matches what you need. Use text for single-line responses like names or short IDs. Select text paragraph for longer multi-line answers such as addresses or comments. Choose checkbox for yes/no items or multiple choice selections. Pick drop-down if you want people to choose from a predefined list of options. Click Select, then click on your document exactly where you want the field to go. You can add as many fields as you need, placing them wherever they match the labels on your page. Zooming in a bit helps you align fields neatly with the existing lines and text. Now customize those fields so they're easy to use. To resize a field, click it and drag the black squares at the corners until it fits the space. To move a field, click and drag from the center to reposition it, making sure it lines up with your labels. For additional control, right-click the field and choose Object Properties. Here you can mark a field as required to ensure it must be filled before submission, or enable multi-line on text fields that need more space. Consistent field sizes and alignment give your PDF a polished, professional look. When you're done, save and download your form. Click the green Save and Download PDF arrow icon on the left side toolbar. PDFescape will generate a new, fillable version of your file. Open the downloaded PDF in any standard PDF reader to confirm that the fields are clickable and that you can type, check boxes, or select options. You're all set to share a clean, fillable PDF with your audience.